Everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a laser gun on the 24 block Rubik's Twist. So basically, you're going to start in the middle, or otherwise you can count 12. If you don't know what the middle is, then you can count 12 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then turn that 2 times. So it becomes like a big, I don't know, and then you're going to, get this block, and so this is very similar to the rocket, except the ending's a little different. So you're going to turn this block towards you, and that block away from you. Okay, and now you're going to hold it like this. So you're going to turn, that block towards you, and then that block, turn that block down, like that, and then turn that, like this block to the right, and then like close it in, and then do the same with this other side. So bring it towards you, bring it down, and then turn that to the right, and then close the, and then close it like that. Okay. And now you're going to do the same thing again. So bring it towards you, turn it down, turn it to the right, and then close it. Same with this one. So bring it towards you, turn it down, turn it to the right, and then close it. Okay, so now you're going to bring, looking at it from this way, you're going to bring that one towards you, and then that one away from you, like that. So now that is the rocket, basically. But now what you're going to do is you're going to take that piece, turn it 2 times, and then get all 3 of these, and then turn it in like that. And there you go, you have the laser gun. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.